Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make real marshmallows, easy method. Bloom gelatin in cold water for 5 minutes, then heat sugar, corn syrup, and water to the softball stage while stirring. Slowly pour the hot syrup into the gelatin and whip on high until the mixture is fluffy, glossy, and holds soft peaks. Fold in vanilla, pour into a prepared pan, and dust with powdered sugar to finish. Gather your ingredients and measure everything before starting to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Use unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, cold water, vanilla, and a pinch of salt for optimal flavor and structure. Prepare a pan by coating it generously with powdered sugar and optionally cornstarch to prevent sticking. Having a candy thermometer helps hit the softball stage precisely for reliable, fluffy marshmallows every time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles crumbs and flour with voice control for hands-free cleanup, making kitchen cleanup a breeze after candy-making sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to come back for more tips. Now let's get back to the video. Technique matters more than luck when making marshmallows, so keep tools ready and workspace clean. Monitor syrup temperature with a candy thermometer to reach the softball stage reliably, and whip on high until the mixture cools slightly and becomes glossy with soft peaks. Pour into the prepared pan, allow to set at room temperature until firm, then trim and toss pieces in powdered sugar to keep them separate and appealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.